Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a wireless charger, but it's not like your typical wireless charger. This one in particular, it has a RGB light option, if you can see right here. So there's 9 different RGB modes on here that you can actually change and modify based on your own preference. But this one obviously it is also a 10 watts, so you guys can fast charge it if you guys have the correct phone or device. But first thing first, I'm actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So when you guys first open the product itself, you guys can see that they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then right here, you guys can see the actual product itself right here. So definitely really cool how they provide you guys the cable and then the actual device itself right here. And the cable that they use on here is a USB to USB-C. And this cable is around like 5 feet, which is really long, so you guys don't have to worry about it being too short. But here we have the actual product itself right here. So the top part here obviously is where you put on your phone or device to wirelessly charge your device. If you guys take a look right here, you can see that that is the outlet where you want to plug in the cable to activate it, which is USB-C. And on the bottom, you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So they do have the anti-skid material to prevent it from like shifting around and moving around when you guys actually use it. And if you guys take a look right here, they do have the button to activate the RGB light. So you can change it to different colors, the 9 different colors that I mentioned. I believe right here, the air ventilation for the actual product itself to give it room to breathe when you guys are using it to prevent from overheating or whatever, which is pretty cool. And if I look really carefully like around the product itself right here, that is basically where the RGB light will be lighting up. So obviously, if you guys want the fastest charging option for the wireless charger, you do want to use a wall charger to use it. But right now, I'm just going to use my power bank to show you guys whether or not it actually works. Plug it in. Alright. So you can see that once you plug it in, you can see the lights throughout the product itself right there. And then like I mentioned, if you guys want to change the light, just press the button on the bottom. And then change the different color option right there. Alright. So you guys have 9 different patterns or 9 different modes to choose from based on your own preference. But you can see that actually does work. But let's try out the wireless charging and see when it actually works. Alright. And while you guys are charging it, you can see the light is still on, which is pretty cool. So if you guys are using this at nighttime, obviously it will look a lot cooler because the light will show out a lot better. But that is basically what the overall product looks like and how it works. And then actually bring this into a darker room or darker setting and show you guys what it looks like in the dark, like pitch dark. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here all plugged in. You can see the light on the side right there. Let me turn off the light first. Alright. So you can see that this is basically what it looks like. If you guys want to change the light option, just press the bottom part. You can see that changes the different color options here. They definitely have a lot of different color options on here that you can choose from. You can definitely use it to charge your phone while it's making that light. Alright. So I definitely love this wireless charger because of that RGB light option. So if you're using this at your desk and you guys have that whole setup for like RGB gaming mouse pad or whatever, you guys can add this on top of that and it actually looks really, really cool. This way you can actually do wireless charging on your iPhone, smartphone, or your other devices that can do wireless charging as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works really well. Super easy to use the product. Obviously, if you guys want to fast charge your device, your battery can't be over 80%, but definitely the wireless charging option definitely works. And then the RGB light works as well. You can see it's super cool. You guys can modify the color of what you guys want. Definitely is a pretty awesome product. You can see how thin it is, and having the RGB lights definitely stands out a lot better than your normal typical wireless chargers that are like flat. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like wireless chargers are definitely worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially this one in particular, since it has all the capacity that other wireless charger has. But the main thing that I have to say that stands out a lot is the fact that it has an RGB light option right here, which a lot of other wireless chargers does not have. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's been just for unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That'll definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.